Coming up on STL Weather, we are keeping an eye on a wind and weather advisory that's been issued by the National Weather Service from Thursday to 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. We are keeping an eye on that, and it's surprising because we have had a warm day. Also, we are keeping an eye on 1 to 3 inches to our northwest. Here, an inch of snow in St. Louis. Some places like Troy getting 3 to 5 inches of snow. Some places in Bowling Green getting 5 to 10. That is tomorrow, and all of this will be on the ground by Friday morning. Tonight we are keeping an eye on 2 to 3 inches of rain, followed by a flood watch that's in effect till 12 p.m. Thursday. And with that, just keeping an eye on St. Louis, we have thunderstorms for tomorrow. Just to our south, we have a marginal risk. We explain. We also have your 7-day forecast for you to let you know what you can expect for your weekend, on top of what to come tomorrow, as we have school closings. All of that coverage on STL Weather with Alvin Kamau starts now. And I'm Alvin Kamau. Hopefully everyone is enjoying their day. I hope that you are enjoying this wonderful weather that we had earlier this afternoon. Right now we're going to get to your weather update to let you know what to expect here in the St. Louis area. Let's get to your weather update. Of course, we are keeping an eye on this winter weather advisory we talked about in the intro. A winter weather advisory from Thursday at 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Thursday. We have a potential for at least an inch of snow here in the St. Louis area, which we need to keep an eye on. Some places like Bowling Green and Troy have been issued a winter storm warning, and where the pink is highlighted right in here is where the most snowfall is expected, so not a major system for St. Louis. For St. Louis, we are going to keep an eye on some rain tonight, which we're going to be timing out. And then we have a severe weather outlook that we have here for St. Louis. Don't worry about the enhanced and the slight risk. I just want you to worry about where we are. And we're right here. Places like O'Fallon, Chesterfield, Rolla, and St. Louis are going to be in the thunderstorm risk, so not really a severe risk. Around probably some areas like southern Reynolds County, they are going to be just around the marginal risk. So really, to our southern counties, we'll watch for some isolated severe weather. 60-mile-per-hour gust of winds and some small hail can't be rolled out to the south of St. Louis as we head towards tomorrow. Tonight we have some heavy rain, localized flooding. We have a flood watch from 6 p.m. Wednesday, which started a couple minutes ago in Central Time, to 12 p.m. Thursday, which we're going to be expecting here in St. Louis at least 2 to 3 inches of rain, and isolated spots can get a little bit more, but we're thinking at least that 1 to 3 inch range. And then places like Troy, you can get probably 1.5 to 2 inches of rain. And after that, we're gonna get that mix into freezing rain, a brief period before we get at least an inch of snow for St. Louis. Places like St. Charles County can get in between 1 to 3. So we are gonna time all of that out so that you know what to expect right here in the St. Louis area. So here we go. We're gonna get to that. So right now you are taking a look at the European model so that you can see what will happen as we head towards this evening. So this evening, expect some steady rain to start moving in. This is around the 8 p.m. hour. You can keep an eye on the time right here. Right here at 9 p.m. you can see that rain continuing to move towards the area. And 10 p.m. we can see that we still have some rain here. We're keeping an eye on the precip. We're also keeping an eye on the temperatures because that's a big thing. And so as we head towards tonight, expect some isolated rumbles of thunder, heavy rain after, especially midnight and after, where the heaviest rain comes in. Some lightning can't be rolled out, but isolated spots will, this is where we're going to get a good majority of our rain overnight. So you'll hear the rain falling pretty hard, and that hasn't happened in a while. And then we're also keeping an eye on some systems to our northwest, as you can see, which we're watching as that will impact us later on in the day on Thursday. So we're keeping an eye on Kansas City. Let's look at Kansas City. You can see they're going to be mixing in with some snow. We'll show you their snowfall amounts. And here in St. Louis, you can see we're going to be in that rain. Steady rain in the morning, so kids going to school. I know I will be going to school, so let me not act like I'm a grown-up. At 6 a.m., they're going to be waiting for the bus stop. Make sure that they're aware it's going to be raining, and at times it can be heavy. And then as we head towards 7 a.m., we're going to start having those temperatures drop a lot, because we're supposed to have at least that steady rain continuing towards 8 a.m. Now, according to the European model, we're going to watch St. Charles County to the west, where they have that mixing in with some ice, and the ice with freezing rain. And basically, to Kansas City, you can see they have that they have that snow moving in, while we're here in St. Louis are in the rain. As we continue to progress towards the next couple of hours, you can see we're eventually going to mix in with that freezing rain quickly at midday. And after midday, we're going to see that quick transition at around the 3 o'clock hour to some snow. A brief period of some snow won't last long, because the system will be dying down as it head towards us, and probably in the evening it should be out of our entire viewing area. So with this, of course, with the rain that we can get tomorrow, isolated severe threat just to our south, not really gonna be impacting our area. But after all of that is out of our area, we can at least see at least an inch of snow for St. Louis. So as you can see right here, just an inch of snow for St. Louis, and probably just a little bit of a mix down to the south, but it isn't going to be anything. And then 1 to 3 inches across 1 to 3 inches of snow across St. Charles County. Places like Troy could pick up 3 to 5 inches, and 5 to 10 inches as we head towards Bowling Green, towards to the northwest, towards Kansas City. That's where they're going to get a more significant snow, not really here in St. Louis. So let's talk about it. Tonight we're going to get that rain, and then later on in the afternoon it's going to change. It's going to mix in with that snow. Not a huge system, and why I'm showing you this severe weather outlook is because we can just have an isolated severe thunderstorm to our south, but not a big deal in terms of severe weather, or not a big deal in terms of the snowfall. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, you're going to have a high of 40, temperatures dropping throughout the day. We'll have that rain mix in with snow, 100% chance of that happening. Friday is going to be sunny with a high of 40, low of 26. Saturday, sunny as well, 41 with a low of 32. Sunday, we'll have a high of 61 degrees warmer. Before Monday, we have President's Day. Some kids don't have school, 65 degrees with a low of 47. Now, as we head towards Tuesday, rain is likely, 60% chance. As we head towards then, we'll have to watch another system for 53 degrees with a low of 30. And Wednesday, a wintry mix with those temperatures dropping a little bit, 30% chance. So as we head towards Thursday, especially as we head towards Friday morning, that's going to be a real cold start. And so make sure those kids are bundled up. Yeah, this warm air doesn't last after today, and then it ramps up with a nice weekend as we head towards Sunday. But until then, that is all of the time that we do have for you. Again, Saturday is going to be kind of chilly, but we warm up on Sunday. And then Monday, President's Day, we really warm up. Right now, looking at the Monday, should be a good start to the work week in terms of how warm it will be. So that's going to be amazing. Feels like spring in the St. Louis area. Now for the latest on the weather, because I had a lot of other things to show you, but they aren't working today, but I've showed you probably enough that you do need to know. Follow me on Twitter when I do not upload. Link will be down in the description. Thank you everyone that is joining us in this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe and stay healthy. And again, for those who may be watching this premiere, we have that winter weather advisory from Thursday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Thursday. Make sure you stay tuned for any changes. Again, it says a glaze of ice, and that glaze of ice will coat roads and sidewalks, and this is like for Missouri and also to the Northwest. This is everyone in our viewing area. And so this is something that you do need to know. This full story is on the news, the National Weather Service's St. Louis Twitter page. Until then, I hope I gave you as much information as possible. We'll be continuing to keep an eye on this system very, very carefully. Until then, enjoy the rest of your evenings and have a great rest of your night.